Ready to publish your book with Amazon KDP. In this video, we'll be your guide. We'll break down what KDP is in simple terms, show you exactly how to open your free KDP account, and walk you through the steps to create and publish your very first book. KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. It's Amazon's platform that lets you publish your own book for free. Think of it as your personal publishing house. You can create both digital ebooks and physical paperbacks, or hardcover. You do the writing, and KDP handles the rest. You simply upload your book files, and it instantly becomes available to millions of Amazon shoppers globally. The best part for print books is called Print on Demand. Amazon only prints a copy after a customer buys it. This means zero upfront costs for you, no inventory, and no boxes of books cluttering your closet. You get to set the price and earn generous royalties, sometimes as high as 70% on your ebooks. And the biggest plus? You keep all the rights to your work. It's fast, it's free, and it puts you in complete control. Let's create our free KDP account. Browse to kdp.amazon.com and press Join KDP to create new account. Fill the basic login information form and press Create your KDP account. After confirm your mail and agree to term of service, you'll get the main dashboard of KDP. Here, you will see all your books, reports, and KDP tools. You can publish various books on KDP, including novels, children's books, cookbooks, poetry, textbooks, and journals. Available in different formats like Kindle ebooks, paperback, and hardcover. KDP also supports other formats like comic books and low-content books, such as planners and coloring books. Click Create New Title or Series. In this video, we will create coloring book with paperback cover. Write a title and subtitle for your book. Later, when you will have several books, you can create a series. You can update the edition number if you release new edition of your book. Enter the author information. The first and last is the minimum needed as author name. You can enter your publishing name like in the example. The book description is your sales pitch. Here's the quick formula for KDP success. First, be a keyword hunter. Think like your reader. What are they typing into the Amazon search bar? Naturally, weave those strong keywords into your description, especially in the first two sentences, to help Amazon categorize your book. Second, use AI as your co-pilot. Tools like ChatGPT or Gemini can help you quickly brainstorm compelling taglines, engaging hooks, or even an entire draft. Just be sure to polish and personalize the result. Enter the information for publishing rights and audience. Select your primary marketplace. You can change this if you like to sell your book in a specific country. Choosing the right categories is crucial for discoverability. Think of it as finding the perfect shelf in a massive library. Be specific. Instead of just picking fiction, drill down to the narrowest, most relevant subcategory. Look at your best-selling competition. Go to their Amazon page, scroll down, and see exactly which categories they are listed in. This shows you where your ideal readers are shopping. Keywords are how readers find you. You get 7 slots on KDP, and you need to make every one count. Here's the strategy. Think like a long-tail search. Don't just use single words like thriller. Instead, use longer, highly specific phrases that people actually type, like dark psychological thriller debut. Don't repeat yourself. Amazon already uses words from your title, subtitle, and book description as keywords. Focus your 7 slots on unique phrases you haven't used yet to maximize your reach. Select your publication and release date for the book. Press Save and continue to the next step. When publishing a print book on KDP, you must choose an ISBN. This 30-digit code is your book's unique ID, used by retailers and libraries worldwide. If you only plan to sell on Amazon, the free KDP ISBN is fine. If you want maximum distribution and control, or plan to publish multiple books, buying your own is the better investment. Choosing your paper is vital for print quality. KDP offers 4 options. Black and white with cream paper. This is standard for most novels and text-heavy books. The cream color is easy on the eyes for long reading. Black and white with white paper, best for textbooks, coloring books, or workbooks that need clean, crisp contrast for charts and diagrams. Color paper, Choose this for anything with significant color images, photography, or illustrations, like cookbooks or children's books. But remember, it costs more. Select the trim size, bleed settings, and cover finish. These should match content and cover PDF files you created. You can view our video about coloring book creation with AI for more information about content creation. Upload the manuscript PDF file. This will be the content of the book. For the book cover, Amazon provides simple cover creator, editor, or you can upload your own file. Make sure that the cover file dimensions calculated correctly with the book page count. If your cover already includes barcode, check this box. Otherwise, leave it unchecked. Click this link to learn more about barcode size and placement. If your book created with AI assistance, select the appropriate settings. Launch the print preview, make sure everything looks correctly, and approve the files. Scroll down, review the printing costs and the book details. Make sure it all correct. Save and continue to the last step. Choose where in the world your book will be available. You can select worldwide or specific territories. For this example, I will choose worldwide. Pricing your book on KDP boils down to two factors: royalty rate and printing costs for print books. The royalty is typically 60% or 50% for lower-priced books in some regions, but it's calculated after KDP takes out the printing cost. For print, your book must be priced high enough to cover the printing cost or you earn nothing. Use the KDP calculator to find your minimum price and maximize your profit. Note that after publishing, it can take up to 72 hours for your book to be available for purchase on Amazon. You can ask for a printed preview of your book before it goes live. Before publishing the book, you must complete your account information. For now, just save it as draft and head over the bookshelf. When you're ready, press Count New Setup and publish your book. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.